We've worked hard in our course so far, and we've covered a lot of information. We started with some very basic ideas and moved on to some much more complex ones. But we've come to a junction in the course where we now turn our attention to molecules and compounds. It would be a good idea to look back at our course outline. We started out our course looking at the 4 pillars of chemistry in modules 1 through 4. We then looked at modern atomic theory and atomic properties in modules 5 through 8. We next turn our attention to putting atoms together to make molecules, or if you prefer, putting elements together to make compounds. This will take us through the next 6 modules. After that, we will put molecules together to make materials. And then, in the second half of the course, let materials react with one another. There are 4 main themes that will run through our next 6 modules on compounds. We need to pay attention to the chemical formulas and names of compounds. This is part of learning to read and write in the symbolic language of chemistry. We will look at the bonding in compounds. In particular, what makes atoms want to come together to form molecules. Shapes of molecules will be important for us, for the properties of materials, and for visualizing reactions. We will also quantify compounds in a couple of different ways. Hopefully you will again find that we start with some very basic ideas on molecules and compounds and build up to more complex ones. So let's dive in.